Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. In this video, we are going to discuss a question on countable and uncountable sets. But before that, let me share something with you that if you are preparing for any higher mathematics competitive exam such as NET, SLATE, GATE and looking for material, then we are providing that with 7,000 solved questions, and for this material you can register on the link given below in the description. Moving on to the question is, let A and B are infinite sets. Let F is a map from A to B such that the collection of pre-images of any non-empty subset of B is non-empty, then which of the following is incorrect? I would recommend you to read the question once again so that if you are able to understand the question once, then the option gets easier. The options are A, B may be countable even if A is not countable. Option B, A and B are similar. Option C, such map is always onto. And option D, if A is countable, then B is countable. Pause the video over here and first try this question by yourself. Moving on to the solutions. To solve this question, we will need some results. The first one, let F be a function from A to B, and if cardinality of A is greater than cardinality of B, then no 1-1 function exists from A to B. You cannot find any function which is 1-1 if cardinality of A is greater than cardinality of B. Yes, it can be onto. Second, let F again be a function from A to B, and if cardinality of B is greater than cardinality of A, then no onto function exists from A to B. That is, you cannot find an onto function. Also, the function may be 1-1 but it cannot be onto. The third one, the set of natural numbers, it is countable and its cardinality is aleph naught. And the fourth, Pn, that is power set of n, that is subset, the set of all the subset of natural number, which is uncountable using Cantor's theorem. Now these results will be useful to us to solve the question. Moving on, we are given two sets A and B which are infinite. Here they have not mentioned whether the set is countable or uncountable. Remember the diagram. Whenever you have a set, it can be empty or non-empty. If it is non-empty, it can be finite or infinite. If it is infinite, then it can be countable or uncountable. So we are considering two sets. Let A be the set of all subsets of n, that is Pn, which is uncountable, and B, that is the set of natural numbers, which is countable. We considered two different infinite sets. Definitely both of them are infinite, but one is uncountable and the other is countable. And the cardinality of A, that is C, is greater than cardinality of B, that is aleph naught. So option A, it says that B may be countable even if A is not countable. It is correct, as here our A, that is the set of all the subsets of n, that is power set, it is uncountable, and B, which is the set of natural numbers, it is countable, and they satisfy the given conditions that any non-empty subset of B should have a pre-image. Option B, A and B are similar. Now this is not correct, it is false, because cardinality of A is greater than cardinality of B. So no bijection exists from A to B. The third one, such map is always onto. This is true, as the cardinality of A is greater than cardinality of B. We can always find a map for which each element of B has a pre-image in A. And the last option, D, if A is countable, then B is countable. This is correct as well, as the given condition says that the collection of pre-images of any non-empty subset of B is non-empty. Definitely, then B has to be countable if A is countable. So the correct answer in which, that is B. Thank you. And you can be a member of our social club and watch 250 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material for any higher mathematics competitive exam from our Telegram channel.